All right, number 1 says triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYC. First things first, let's color code. The slanty side, that's the hypotenuse, right? Maybe you know that, maybe you don't. You will next year for sure. It matches the other slanty side. We know those match. And we know if they match, then this bottom side matches this bottom side. And that this up and down side matches the up and down side on the other triangle. It is okay that they're the same side. Which angle corresponds to BAC? So, to find out what angle BAC is, it's from B to A to C. BAC. Which angle corresponds to BAC? Well, it's purple and orange, so you need the other purple and orange angle. BAC is the same as YXC. You could also say CXY, that's fine. The X is in the middle though, because you have to be able to trace from Y to X to C. Which side corresponds to CYX? CYX. Blue to orange. That would make this one blue to orange. CYX corresponds to CBA. Now we're talking about the sides. Which side corresponds to CY? CY is this blue one. It's the other blue one. It's the same line, isn't it? So is it also CY? Nope, it's CB. It goes the whole length. CY is for the little one, CB is for the big one. Which side corresponds to BA? XY. Not too bad? So if you think you can color code this one, go ahead and try. Hit pause and try. If you're not sure, think about how you do it, and then I'll show you before you take your colors to it. So here's how I did it. See, it's a trapezoid, not a parallelogram. This side is short. Which side is short over here? Right? So they correspond. It makes it really weird. This side is tall, so this side is tall. This side is straight. This side is straight. Color haven't I used yet? Blue. This side is slanted. This side is slanted. So they're not facing the same way, and that's okay. Which angle corresponds to angle S? So let's look at S. We got purple, blue. Purple, blue. Which angle corresponds to angle W? Here we are. Green, orange. Green, orange. Which side corresponds to WZ? QT, right? They're both orange. And which side corresponds to ST? ST is purple, and so is YZ. I didn't write it down, but you should. Oops, I probably shouldn't have erased it either. And put it back. Write and solve a proportion to find the value of n by comparing adjacent lengths within the similar figures. So we're looking for n. That's what I always start with. I've got n and 6. So I have orange and green. That means on this side, I need orange and green. So n and 6. This is the small one right here. The large one, I have orange, 24 on top, and 12 on bottom. So you are going to solve this proportion. 6 times 24. Twelve times n. And then you're going to have to solve that equation. Divide by 12. And if you don't have it memorized, you'll have to do 144 divided by 12. It's not as bad as you think. Man, I did it again. All right. The next one says, write and solve a proportion to find the values of n by comparing lengths between the similar figures. It just wants you to try it a different way. So this time, we're going to do orange, orange, green, green. Same, it's going to be exactly the same, it's just going to be a different way to do it. So this time, we're going to put the small one on top and the large one on bottom. So we have n and 24, small and big, and we have 6 and 12. Now find the cross products. 12 times n, 6 times 24. And then divide by 12.